Good morning, grade 1 students. My name is Teacher Jay, and I will be your English teacher.
Hello, ni hao, bonjour. It's how to greeting someone. Hola, sawadee-krap. Hey, repeat after me. We speak in many different ways and live in different places. Greeting all the children with a bright and big smile. Здравствуйте, мой. It's how to greeting someone. Kalimera, 안녕. Hey, repeat after me. We speak in many different ways and live in different places. Greeting all the children with a bright and big smile. Assalamu alaikum is how to greeting someone. Namaste, xin chào. Hey, repeat after me. We speak in many different ways and live in different places. Greeting all the children with a bright and big smile. Merhaba, aloha, it's how to greeting someone. Konnichiwa, jambo, hey, repeat after me. We speak in many different ways and live in different places. Greeting all the children with a bright and big smile. Bon dia, buongiorno, it's how to greeting someone. Shalom, alaikum, islam, hey, repeat after me. We speak in many different ways and live in different places. Greeting all the children with a bright and big smile. Kakushi buteni is how to greeting someone. Hey, good night, then hey, repeat after me. We speak in many different ways and live in different places. Greeting all the children with a bright and big smile.
Hi, again, welcome to our English class. Now, today we are going to proceed on Unit 1, Lesson 2. We're going to answer the question, who is he? Who is he? How do you answer the question, who is he? So first, let's go to our vocabularies. So we have here he, she, who, dad, mom, grandfather, grandmother, sister, brother, aunt, uncle, friend. He, she, who, dad, mom, grandfather, grandmother, sister, brother, aunt, uncle, friend. will have our activity letter A. So first, I will teach you how to read the words. Okay, let's begin. Dad, dad. Mom, mom. Grandpa, grandpa. Cake, cake. Balloon, balloon. Present, present. Okay, now let's answer this activity. So please listen carefully, and what you need to do is to put the numbers on the box, just like this one on the cake. So 1 cake. So please listen carefully so that you can answer it correctly. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Lesson 2. Who is he? Track 6. Word Chest. Page 18. A. Listen and number. Number 1.
Cake. It's a cake.
Number 2.
Dad. He's my dad.
Number 3.
Present. It's a present.
Number 4.
Balloon. It's a balloon.
Number 5.
Mom. She's my mom.
Number 6.
Grandpa. He's my grandpa.
Very good. Now let's proceed to language chest. So here we have words with the same meaning. So the first example is his, his. So these words, or this word, has the same meaning with the word he is, he is. Okay, so later we will use this one on a sentence. The next one is she's, she's. They have the same meaning with she is, she is. And the last word is whose, whose, with the same meaning on the word who is, who is. Okay, let's have his, he is, she's, and she is. Let's use this one on a sentence. So we have here examples. He's my dad. He's my dad. You can also use he is my dad. He is my dad. And we'll use the word she's. She's my mom. She's my mom. And you can also use she is my mom. She is my mom. Okay, so she is and she's, they have the same meaning, or they have the same use. Okay, just like for example here we have here the his and he is. So you can use this to answer the question, who is he or Who is she? Now let's go to activity letter B. Ask and answer. So here we can practice asking question and also answering the question, who is he or who is she? Okay, let's have number 1. Who is he? Who is he? He is my grandpa. He is my grandpa. And number 2, who is she? Who is she? She is my mom. She is my mom. Okay, so that's how you answer the question, who is he or who is she? Now, you can practice this one with your friend. You can ask your friend to be the one to read the question, and you are going to read the answer. Or you will be the one to read the question, and your friend will be going to read the answer. Now let's proceed to activity letter C. Talk, listen, and read. Okay, first, I'll be the one to read the dialogue, and after that, you are going to have your chance and time to read it by yourself. Now first, I'll be reading it, so you need to listen. Okay? Who is he? Who is he? He is my dad. He is my dad. Surprise! Surprise! A present? A present? Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. I love you, Dad. I love you, Dad. I love you too. I love you too. Okay. Now I'll give you the time to read the dialogue by yourself. Now for the last activity for today, activity letter D. Trace and draw. Okay, so what you're going to do on this activity is to trace these words. Okay, so you're going to trace this one using your pencils. Now after tracing these words, you're going to draw on this box. You're going to draw a picture. Okay, so only one. You can draw your mom or your dad. Okay, so you're going to draw inside the box the picture of your mom or the picture of your dad. You understand? Okay.
next time. If you like video, write down comments. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up.
So that's all for today. See you again next time. Goodbye.